okay, I want to be a loan signing agent. What do I got to do? This isn't the end all be all. You have to spend money, folks. That means get off of YouTube, get off of TikTok. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Keena Renee here, back with another video. My channel, Keena, is all about sharing facts and fun for content creators, entrepreneurs, and notary loan signing agents of all kinds, so that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss any of my uploads. All right, so I just want to do this quick video. I'm actually on my way to a signing. Here's my package. So I am often asked on TikTok, what is the difference between a notary public and a loan signing agent? So I just wanted to kind of explain what the differences are for those that are looking into becoming and starting your notary loan signing agent business or your notary business for 2022. This is the video for you, because I'm about to break it all the way down. All right, so essentially, let me get the TV out the way. Let's do this, okay? All right, you guys. So essentially, a notary public is somebody that is commissioned by the state. You know, you get your commission, you go through the process, you get the application, and the state looks at you as an impartial witness to notarize different documents. Acknowledgements, jurats, whatever you are allowed to notarize in your state, you can do that. A loan signing agent is simply a notary public, okay, that has already been commissioned by their state, that adds an additional service of doing mortgage loan closings, okay? So as a notary public, there's different ways that you can monetize your stamp. You can be a process server, you can do inspections. Some states allow you to be a wedding officiant. There's so many different ways as a notary that you can monetize your stamp. The most popular way now is doing loan closings and working as a notary loan signing agent. The biggest thing, okay, I would say the biggest difference between a notary public and a loan signing agent is the pay. As a notary public, your fees is essentially set by the state. So in my state, I'm in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Our stamp fee is $5. Plus, we are able to charge additional fees such as travel fees, things like that, okay? Now, that is not allowed in every single state. That's why it's very important that when you are commissioned as a notary, that you know what you're able to charge, because that's going to be crucial when it comes to your notary public business. As a loan signing agent, the fees, you're not getting charged per stamp, you're getting charged per appointment, because your role during this process is the signing agent, okay? A signing agent is always going to be a notary public, because in those closing packages, there are forms that need to be notarized, okay? There is not a home in the United States of America that can close without a notary. So what companies are now doing is, instead of the process of, you know, buyers going into offices to close, they have mobile notaries that have the additional service of doing loan closings, that are able to go in home or meet with the borrower wherever is convenient for them to close their loans, instead of doing it in office. But you can also do it in office. That's totally, you know, an option. There is some companies that will hire notaries for the day just to come in and, you know, do their loan closings, whatever the case may be. I've done several in-office closings for real estate companies, for banks. So that is still possible, but the main and the most common route is in-home closings, where they send a notary out to the borrower so that they can close their package. Now, like I stated, the biggest difference is the pay. So the pay range for a loan signing agent can vary. It can start off anywhere between $75 to $85, and it can go all the way up to $250. That's per appointment, not per stamp. So per appointment, which can last anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes, or we always say per hour, because an appointment usually is going to be about an hour. For me, my appointments are no more than 45 minutes now. That's because I've been doing this for a little bit. So, you know, I kind of got the hang of it. But an hour. So that's why when you see people on TikTok and on YouTube saying you're making this per hour, that's because the typical time it takes to close a loan package of refinance, I'm just going to say a refinance because that's the most popular mortgage product that is, happening in these times. The typical time it takes to do a refinance package is about an hour, but honestly, it's less than that. So in order to become a loan signing agent, you first have to become a notary public, right? Once you get commissioned in your state to be a notary, then you are going to get certified to do loan signings. Now, I always tell people that the training isn't necessary. If you want to cut corners and not take any type of training, that is on you, okay? But if you want to get work, okay, if you want to get signings, if you want to stay busy, if you want to make this a business that's profitable, you're going to want to invest in yourself. That means spend money. Okay, that means get off of YouTube, get off of TikTok. I'm here to provide you resources, but this isn't the end all be all. You have to spend money, folks. I cannot stress that enough. You have to spend money, invest in yourself. You're going to make your money back. Okay, you're going to make it back, but you have to take training. Okay, you have to get E&O insurance. You want to get, your certifications through the NNA. And just really invest in yourself and show to people that you are taking this seriously and that you are doing and taking the necessary steps to do what it takes to become an agent that is seen as being responsible, that is reliable, and all these different things. So the difference, just to wrap this all up, because this was intended to be a very short video. I am on my way to a signing. I just wanted to get this out really quick because I get this so often on my TikTok. And I can't tell you how, honestly, how unfortunate it is that people think that you can just go on TikTok and go on YouTube and just, that's it. Like, okay, I want to be a loan signing agent. What do I got to do? And that's it. And then when you tell them the steps, they don't want to pay the money to invest in themselves to get their business started. It doesn't make any sense to me. Or they say that it's a scam. Oh, this isn't true. You can't make money. Notaries only make such and such per stamp. That's ignorance. And to everybody out there that, thinks that this is a scam, that's perfectly fine because that means that's more money for me. Okay. That's for money for me and everybody else that's out here that's doing well in their notary business. But to circle back, this is the difference. So a notary public, loan signing agent. A notary public is somebody that's commissioned by their state. That's the first step, okay? You get your commission. You're able to notarize different documents. You're more than likely getting your commission through your job at the bank, okay? But when you're a notary loan signing agent, you're a notary public that has added the additional service of doing mortgage closings. A bank, if you go to your bank and say, hey, here's this package, can you notarize this for me? A bank is not going to do it. A bank notary doesn't know how to present documents. They don't know what these documents mean. They can't they can't present or anything to what you're getting ready to sign within your mortgage package. A notary loan signing agent can because they have taken the initiative and the additional training to know how to present a full closing package, okay, to a borrower so that it makes sense to them and they're able to sign it, okay? Get training. If you are a notary and you want to do this, if you want to be a notary loan signing agent, get training. That means you have to pay money. You have to pay some money. I have a link that is an affiliate link because it is the course that I took that led me to where I am now. I'm not trying to sell you something. I'm just providing you with the information. You want to know how I got started? There's the link. Sign up for the loan signing system. And it doesn't have to be the loan signing system, okay? The loan signing system worked for me. It may not work for you. Do your own research. There's plenty of courses out here. If you're really, truly serious about doing this, you're going to do your own research that does not involve TikTok or YouTube. You're going to dig a little bit deeper. You're going to see that we're on here because we are doing this. We're successful. When I say that I have not made less than 4 figures in my notary loan signing business since I started, that's the truth. First month out the gate, I made about $1,500. And that was for not even a full month's work. There's business out here. There's money to be made. It's up to you to take the initiative, to have some hustle to you, and don't expect everything to come to you through the internet or through social media. I had to say that because it's 2022 and I want to start people off on the right track. I'm not here to sell anything, but I get that question asked so often. It is very frustrating that I have all these resources and I point people in the right direction and they want to know the difference. And that's wonderful that you're inquiring. I'm so honored that you are coming to me. And everybody else that's, on TikTok and on YouTube making this type of content. But I want to encourage and challenge everybody out there, if you want to be a notary loan signing agent in 2022, that you step outside your own comfort zone, that you do some research, and you put some effort outside of social media to accomplish the goals that you want. The only difference between me and you is that I'm out here doing it. That's it. I got one signing, one. That's it. I probably could go out there and get more. I probably could. But I honestly don't feel like it. And that's okay. That is okay. So I hope this answered your question. I know this was a little bit of tough love, but honestly, y'all have to hear it. And I say this with love and with the utmost loving and positive intentions. I want everybody to be successful and succeed, but you got to put in the work and you got to put in the effort, and I'm not going to say that again. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Peace and much love.